Hey, welcome to day one. This is my 30-day challenge of posting videos to YouTube. It's going to be sort of a daily vlog style video where we just go through what's going on with my day and what we're doing as a family for the next 30 days of summer. Hope you stick around and check it out. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, and we'll see you inside the video. Did I mention too that these next 30 days I was going to try and live a little healthier, drink a little less pop, eat a little bit better, and try and exercise at least once a day. And again, that's part of my challenge for the next 30 days. Hey, we're just getting ready to go to the lake. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Your yard. Ready to go out to the lake? Yeah. All right. Once we got out to the lake, first thing we did was we went for a walk to take the dogs down to the lake and check out and see what the waves were like. It was pretty wavy, and we decided that we weren't going to boat for a while. So I pulled out my gimbal and I shot some B-roll, just experimenting with the GoPros and just trying some different things with the footage. So that turned out pretty neat. I got about an hour's worth of B-roll, and then we continued on with our hike back to camp. Took a little bit longer because Casey's got some pretty short legs, so it takes him a little while to get there. We got back to camp. The kids found this spider, and we were just getting them ready to go out kayaking. It was pretty big spider. Kids are all freaked out. Before we went though, we had some hot dogs and fed everybody, make sure nobody was hungry before they left. Kids went then kayaking. They went across the bay, and there's a waterfall that flows into the lake, so the kids will go across there and they'll check out the waterfall and do some exploring on the other side of the lake. So they didn't have any adult supervision. Hopefully, everything went well. No complaints, and all 5 kids came back, so that's a bonus. They went quite a ways back in the bush there. And then they came back, and we got out on the boat finally. We blew up a couple of the tubes. The kids decided that they wanted to wear some of the GoPros, so we threw one on Tayden, and then the kids went out there. And of course, as soon as you throw a camera on there, everybody wants to perform, right? So we dragged them behind the boat, gave them a good decent ride. I'm gonna make another video with some of the footage from that later on when I get some time. And that's what I wanted to do, was create something that or create some footage. We never go on the boat without like a pile of snacks, so the kids had lots of fun with that. I even had some time to pull out the drone and take some footage that way as well. It's quite an interesting perspective when you are flying, a couple hundred feet above the boat. And I tried a couple of different shots with it. And again, I'm still getting my feet wet with it. And then once we were done, we all headed back into town, and hopefully we're going to do it again tomorrow. And so ends the first day of my vlog. We had lots of fun, busy time out at the lake. It's just midnight, and I'm just finishing up editing the video. Gonna add this outro at the very end here. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please give it a like, and set the notifications up so when I post tomorrow's, you'll get to see that. Good night.